We got a new heater just in time for winter. We have several different methods of heat when we're either boondocking or plugged into shore power. When we're boondocking, we use a Wave 6 catalytic heater that runs on propane, and it doesn't use any electricity, no fans, no noise. When we're plugged into shore power, though, we use an oil-filled radiator style heater. The only problem with it is there's no thermostat built in or external control as far as a remote or Wi-Fi. And we really wanted something to control the temperature while we're away, or to be able to maintain a certain specific temperature rather than just try to guess. On the oil-filled radiator style heater, there's just a 1500 watt, a 750, and an eco setting, and then you have a high, medium, and low of each of those. But it's hard to maintain a certain temperature as it warms up outside. The temperature you have it set at is going to increase the temperature inside, and there's no way to remotely turn it off. There's a timer setting to set a certain amount of time to go by to turn it on or off, but that's hard to guess all of that what the weather's going to do. With this new heater, it's got Wi-Fi, so I can actually control it from my phone. So let's install it and test it out. We purchased the HeatStorm 1500 Phoenix Wi-Fi infrared heater. It comes with a handy mounting template with a built-in level, as well as a user manual, infrared remote, and all the mounting hardware. So the couch area is right here, and there's a wall right under the thermostat. I think I'm going to install the heater right there. Here's the brackets for the bottom. Connecting the heater to the Wi-Fi was fairly simple. You just need to make sure to have your phone connected to your Wi-Fi and follow the instructions. You can power the unit off or on and change the thermostat settings with the included infrared remote. With the free Smart Life app, you can power the heater off and on, set the thermostat temperature, and set up scheduling and timers all remotely from your smartphone. The unit runs fairly quiet with a decibel level of around 50 decibels. The installation of the HeatStorm 1500 Phoenix Wi-Fi model was very simple. I had it up and running in a matter of minutes. So far, I think this unit's going to work great for us. The oil-filled radiator heater works well, but it takes a while to warm up. You have to heat all the oil up before it radiates the heat out. This unit comes on and it's pretty much instant heat. It's an infrared system. The fan comes on after the unit warms up, which is about 30 seconds or so, maybe a minute. But after that, you're getting instant heat, and it warms the place up very quickly, almost instantaneously. I'll leave a link down below to this unit in case you want to find it. Feel free to use our Amazon link for not only this, but for other products as well. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it helps us out a little bit if you purchase through the link. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this information was informative for you. Hope you have a great rest of the week, and we'll see you out on the road.